Welcome back, Post-Pollock viewers. This is Dave Epstein from the Post-Pollock Law Firm in Roseland, New Jersey. Today, we're here to talk about a police shooting. Unfortunate incident, and we can assess what occurred and get a feel for it. It's a very brief video. It's entitled, Milwaukee Police Officer Shoots Fleeing Driver While Clinging to Side of Tow Truck. Here it is.
Mr. Otto, he's in the back. Get out! Get! Fuck! Dump the car! Get the fuck out! Fuck! Get out! Shit! You better stop! Stop! Fucking... Are you done? Shots fired. Sudden medical.
All right, folks. Well, actually, that video left me with more questions than answers or comments. First of all, was the shooting justified at the time it happened? Hard to argue no. This guy was flooring it with this cop hanging on the side of the car. Now, the events leading up to that point where he's hanging on the side of the car, I'll comment on about in a second. But if a police officer or anybody is hanging off the side of the car and they're yelling, stop it, if you're enough of an asshole to keep driving that fast, and you could see the background as they were going, this guy's flooring it and he's yelling, stop, and this jerk just keeps flooring it and driving. The passenger, I don't know who the hell it was, is yelling, just jump off. Jumping off, that car looked like it was going 50, 60 miles an hour, maybe more. It was not just a slow crawl. The cop would have gotten killed if he jumped off. And sooner or later, he's going to lose his grip and he is going to fall off, and God knows where his head's going to hit or whatever. So this moron was asking to get shot. And I don't know how else. He said, why didn't you disarm him? Why didn't you do this? There's not much more you can do. He is hanging on literally for his life. And this ass doesn't want to stop. The questions I have are, I hope they're obvious to you too now, folks. How did he end up on this? What do they want this guy for? Was it a traffic ticket? Was he a known felon? He walked up and immediately jumped and tried to drag the guy out of the car. I mean, that's the impression I got. And that's when the guy started the car or must have seen him coming up and started and floored it. Maybe he was a dangerous, violent felon that they were looking at. He certainly has the attitude of one. If you're going to put a cop's life at risk like that, maybe he was. was. Maybe they said you have to take him by surprise or else he'll hurt the passenger, although the passenger is telling the cop to jump off, and she was screaming afterwards, so I don't know if she was with the guy. I don't know what the story was there. But unless it was that, namely a dangerous felon, the guy's instructions were to try to take him by surprise, they already had probable cause to arrest him, the whole works. And even there's a question of what should have been done. I don't think it was the greatest idea. If he's going to try to grab the guy and he's going to start flooring the car, I think the cop should have jumped off right then and there. And they say, well, easy for you to say you're not there to react or not. If you are a police officer and on a car and it starts to move, assuming you can, I mean, this could be the guy floored it so fast it was already too fast, but I don't think so. The second he felt the car moving, he should have jumped off. And, then they can give chase to the guy. He's got a radio. Other police cars will show up and let the guy go out, fortunately with a passenger, and get on the road and take your chances that way that you'll eventually be able to track him down and set up a roadblock, do something to stop this idiot. So to me, the real problem that arose, aside from this guy being a jackass who floors it with somebody hanging on the side of the car, police officer or not, was that the police officer was hanging on the side of the car. Listen, I don't instruct at the police academy, and I don't know if I would bring this guy up on disciplinary charges for that either, but it's a highly, if you're listening, officers, that is a highly inadvisable thing to do. Feel the car moving, get off. Use all the other resources you have to get this guy and charge him with attempted assault or murder, because if he starts to drive away with a cop hanging on the side of the car, he knows he's endangering him. This guy, had he not been shot to death, I checked, the guy was fatally shot, and it was in Milwaukee. This only happened within, I think, 48 hours of this video being shot. It was very recent, and they're still investigating. They have not given up any information other than what you saw there as to what led to that officer walking up to him in the first place, what was going on. But I'll find out. I'll try to find out what happened here. But it was, by the time the shooting occurred, it was a justified shooting. He was clearly placing that officer's life in danger. Just the officer, jump off. As soon as it moves, jump off. I hope you enjoyed the video, folks. I hope you learned something from it. I'll see you next time. This is Dave Epstein signing off for Post Pollock. But please hit like and subscribe, and please leave your comments. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.